What's good, Brawlers? Are you ready to start battling like the top brawlers out there? You think you have what it takes to be a Bakugan champion? Good, because this is your Master Brawler training guide to the all-new Bakugan. Okay, Brawlers, we've reached the end of the line. This is your final lesson on Bakugan brawling. In level 1, we covered the basics of Bakugan and got you started with the simplest kinds of battles. In level 2, we learned how keeping score in your battles adds strategy to the mix. Now, in level 3, we're going even deeper into the gameplay to make you a truly unstoppable brawler. It's not going to be easy, but it will be fun. And if you've made it this far, you are ready. Now let's lay out everything you need to battle. 3 figures per brawler. Remember, at least one has to be the kind that rolls. For every Bakugan, you'll also lay out a corresponding character card, and special attack card if necessary. Then, 2 magnetic gate cards per brawler arranged in a 2x2 grid. And, like always, if you're not battling in this sweet new Bakugan battle arena, you can also set up your gate cards on any flat surface. Now here's where it gets interesting for Master Brawlers. Let's also allow each player to select up to 6 brawler cards. Then, each brawler should shuffle their deck of up to 6 brawler cards and put them face down in a pile. Just like a regular scorekeeping battle, brawlers roll or spin their Bakugan onto the magnetic gate cards at the same time. Let's count down together. 3, 2, 1, Bakugan Brawl! Your Bakugan score is partially based on what area of the gate card they land on. But in Master Brawls, each player will also flip over and play a card off the top of their brawler deck to look for bonuses before scores are tallied. To determine your Bakugan score, reference the color from the gate card, find the corresponding value on the character card, add that number to your special attack card if you were using a special attack Bakugan, then add your brawler card value to figure your total score. The rest of the game remains the same. Players with the highest score win the brawl, and beating your opponent in battle means winning a brawl against them with each of your 3 Bakugan. When battling with brawler cards, there are also a few icons you'll notice from time to time. Here's what they mean. This symbol means reroll. You can re-roll your Bakugan once if it's losing to its opponent. This symbol means draw and play another brawler card. And the symbol you see here means your Bakugan gets a bonus if it had a collision with another Bakugan when brawling. This symbol means your Bakugan gets a bonus if it landed on your opponent's gate card. And finally, this symbol means your Bakugan gets a bonus if it was brawling against a certain type of Bakugan. Okay, lots of food for thought for Master Brawlers. Now let's review level 3. Playing with brawler cards adds an additional level of strategy to a scorekeeping battle. Each player selects up to 6 brawler cards, shuffles their deck of brawler cards, and puts them face down in a pile. Before score is determined, each player flips a card from the top of their brawler deck to adjust their score. To officially beat your opponent, a player has to win a brawl with each of their 3 Bakugan. Now you're ready for battle! Congratulations on passing the Bakugan Brawlers Level 3 training video. But the best part about Bakugan is that there's always something to keep practicing to add to your battling arsenal. Thanks for watching, and good luck battling Bakugan Brawl!